Yes, children. Seventh one. We'll see seventh question now. If reflection takes place from denser medium, there will be a phase change. See, phase change means the waves. Actually, how they will go like this. Okay, the waves will be up and down, crust and troughs like that. In the form of this, wave will going to travel. When it will undergo reflection. So when wave undergo reflection, initially the wave will go like this. When it will undergo reflection, it will go like this. Okay, so from here to here, the angle change will be, if you rotate this to 180-degree angle, you will get this one, this pattern. Okay, is it clear, children? When the ray undergoes, the wave undergo reflection like this. Okay, light is also wave, right? So wave undergo reflection, you will get a phase change of pi degree. Pi means what? 180 degree, that's all. So you can see that you can rotate this to 180 degree and check, it will be looking like this. Okay, clear, children? So that is a phase change of 180 degree. Phase change means how much the phase means, we can write more about this, we are going to understand in the waves concept, but now it is only just try to understand phase change of 180 degree. And the 8th question, what is the angle of deviation a ray when which is incident at an angle of 45 degree? Yeah, at an angle of 45 degree on the plane mirror. See, they are given that the ray is there incidenting at an angle of 45 degree. That means what? With respect to the normal, the incident ray, it is incidenting at an angle of 45 degree. Hope it is clear. Angle of incidence given as a 45 degree. Now, what is the angle of deviation? Angle of deviation means what? If there is no mirror, imagine if there is no mirror, absence of the mirror, the ray will go extend like this. Okay, because presence of the mirror, what happens? Instead of going this path, it will take a deviation and it will just reflect back. So from here to here, the ray will just deviate it. So this angle, what we call angle of deviation. And total line you can see from incident ray to extended incident ray, it is total looking like a 180 degree. So angle of deviation you will get when you going to subtract 180 minus a 2i. Right? This formula also we derived in the last class. 180 minus a 2i. Where I given as 45 degree, you need to find the angle of D. Try, children. Who will get answer? We'll see first. What is angle of deviation? Yes, please try to solve. Everyone must write in your notes. Alia, Jian, on your videos, sir. Yes, 105 roll numbers, please on your videos now. Yes, is it clear, children? So what you need to find here? Angle of deviation given 180 degree minus of 2 into what is the I angle is given. Yes, anybody got answer already? Yes, very good. So 180 minus I is how much? I is 45 degree. So multiply 180 minus of 2 into 45, how much? It is 90 degree. So 180 minus 90 gives you 90 degree. So angle of deviation is how much, children? It is 90 degree. Hope it is clear. For 8th question, mark it is answer D. Right, ma? Children, this is the correct for this actually. Yes. Clear, children? The 9th question solution, sorry, 8th question solution. Yes, completed. Right. Next question. See, when a light reflects from the boundary surface, when a light is reflecting from the boundary surface, let us take, see children, there I already told in the first class, when a light is coming from, passing from one medium to another medium, there is a possibility that light may reflect back, or light may absorb by the particles which are present in the medium, or light may transmit, right? There are the three possibilities are there. So initially, whatever the intensity, let us imagine the particle which are coming in light which is falling, it have 100% of intensity means when some portion will going to last year, let us take 10% will going to reflect back and 10% going to absorb. What will get transmitted light? Final light will get only 80%, right, ma? So you can observe intensity here it is 100%, but finally after if some process happen, it will undergo intensity decreases to 80%. So like that, whatever the light it will pass from one medium to another medium or passing through any medium or boundary between the two medium, there is a change in intensity that is always decrease, not increase. There is a decrease in intensity we can observe. Okay, intensity will going to decrease. What about other factors? Velocity, wavelength and velocity may increase or decrease. that we based on the medium, either denser medium or rarer medium, they're not mentioned. If they mention this, we can decide the two factors. And the frequency, it never changes. Whatever the medium it will go, it is like internal property of the medium, like wave. It does not depend upon the which medium it will go, from rarer to denser, denser to rarer. Frequency of the light is always constant, it won't vary. Only velocity wavelength will vary, but if they given rarer or denser, we have to write them. But if we don't give rarer or denser anything, that time we have to choose only option, that is intensity will decrease. Hope it is clear, children. Ninth question, answer is D. Okay, right. 10th question, see, when light incident along normal, what is a normal, children? Tell me first, what is normal? Yes, very good, Samriddhi. The line which is perpendicular to the mirror, right, children? The line which is perpendicular, this is not actually the any ray, or it is not present actually, it is imaginary line. We just taken it is perpendicular to the mirror. Okay, so that is what we call as a normal. Let us take now the line which is the ray which is incidenting along the normal. So like this, along the normal ray which is incidenting. Now you know what is angle of incidence? Angle between normal to the incident ray. So this angle what we call, children, incident angle. But here see, incident ray is also going same path, normal is also there same path. So that you will get angle of incidence is 0. Right? Angle of incidence is 0. What is angle of incidence definition? Angle between, right, children, angle between incident ray and normal. There is no angle any. This angle is 0. Reflected ray and incident ray, sorry, normal. Okay, angle between incident ray and the normal, this is both are in the same line, are coinciding. That time angle of incidence will get a 0 degree. And see, according to your second law of reflection, I is equals to R, right, children? You know second law of reflection, I is equals to R. If I is 0, what must be R? R must be 0 degree, right, ma? If I is equals to R, so R is also 0 degree will get. Now, coming to the angle of deviation. Angle of deviation is equal, so you will get finally R is also 0 degree. Next, angle of deviation is what? 180 minus of 2i, right? This is a formula. So 180 minus 2 into 0 is what? 2 into 0 is how much, children? It is again 0. Yes, Nazani. This is also 0. So finally, angle of deviation, what you get? It is 180 degree. That means the ray, if no mirror, the ray will go like this path. Because presence of the mirror, from here to here, it is just deviated. Right? This is total, it is like a straight line only. So it is 180 degrees the deviation angle. Hope it is clear. The ray which is going along normal. Instead of this, if they give I is equals to 0 degree also, or if they give like in a wordings along the normal also. Hope it is clear, children. 7 to 10 questions. Any doubt, you can raise your hand. 7 to 10 questions. No doubt, children. Yes, Sultan. Yes, unmute, ma. Your voice is not audible, dear.
For 10th one.
Ma?
10th one answer.
10th one, option D.
Option D, ma'am.
D. Intensity will decreases. Yes, children, I hope are you writing notes as right? Please write reasons in your notes. At least in the now it is not possible. After the class immediately, just please sit and write for 10 minutes. Yes, thank you. Shall I clear? Shall I clear this now? Yes, Newman completed this? Okay. Yeah, next one. Okay, light come back into the same medium from the boundary separating the two medium is called the reflection. I know already the definition. The point of convergence of incident rays is called real object. Point of convergence of what? Incident rays are called real object, and point of convergence of reflected rays is called real image. So what is the meaning they given? Like a plane mirror is there, children. In the plane mirror, where is the object, where the incident rays will converge? You know, from the source incident rays are coming out, right, children? This is a converging point of two incident rays. This is what we call, they has told that their incident rays will meet, that is called as a real object. Okay, And if reflected rays will meet, when reflected rays will meet, see when light falls on it, it will undergo reflection like this, and this ray will come like this. Okay, this rays will what we call this rays are going outward. They won't meet actually in the plane mirror. How they will meet? When you going to extend them backward direction like this. Okay, this ray will going to extend backward direction like this. They're going to meet at this point. Okay, this point what we call as a virtual image. Real image only in case of concave mirrors, no. That time you'll get a real image, but in the plane mirrors you always get a virtual image. That's why in a plane mirror you'll see your face, Rohit, right? But Rohit face you cannot able to, one more Rohit you cannot there, right? Okay, only is it is virtual object we can see in the mirror, right children? So this is what a real image and virtual image, sorry, virtual image. Real image means actually rays will meet. In case of concave mirrors, that time the possibility there actually reflected rays, the two reflected rays will come and meet at some point. So there you will going to see that image will going to occur in case of concave mirrors. But in case of plane mirrors, only virtual image you will going to get. What is the image? So try to understand what is the object means incident rays. Where incident rays are there, converge at one point, that is object. Where reflected rays meet, that is the image. Okay. Now in this question is given that the point source of light is placed in front of a plane mirror. Some plane mirrors there, point object they kept. So when point object is kept up in plane mirror, what will happen? The ray will go incident ray from this, and one more incident ray will go there like this. It falls on the mirror. They will just reflect back. Okay, they just reflect back. And extended reflected rays, which are very small angles, they're going to meet at this. Okay, which are large angle, which go outwards, which will not falls on the mirror, they won't convert. They will go like this only. Okay, which are very small angle, which will falls on the mirror, they will going to converge at some point and they'll form a virtual image. Okay, children. So now in this options actually, all the reflected rays meet at a point, produce a backward direction. No, all the reflected rays not meet. Only which will fall exactly they will going to meet, and only the reflected rays close to the normal meet at the point backward direction. Only reflected ray making small angle with the mirror meet at a point where produced a backward direction. That is correct. Light of different colors will make different images. No, that is not. Because suppose our hairs are different color, our face is different color. No, but entire image will be get only one image. No, it is not like hairs is different image and your hand is different image. Right, children, in the mirror? So this is not correct. So only correct option here it is the which will make a small angle with the mirror, meet a very small angle with the mirror. They're going to meet at the backward of the mirror, and you can able to see that image. Right. So don't worry, children. This question once again in the case of images, next I think third or fourth concept is there. That time you will get more clarity on this concept. If you not understand now also, don't worry, leave it. That time with the help of that pictures, I'll just explain you clearly this question. Okay. Next one. Branch of physics which deals with the properties of light. It's a very easy question, right, children? You can answer. That is the optics. Optics is a branch of physics which deals with study of light or phenomenon of light and all. Next question. Light is a form of energy that will give sensation to sight, correct? Sensation to vision also we can tell, or to see the things light is required. So all the above you can write. Clear, children? That up to 3 questions are clear to you? Yes? Okay. See first one, see, second one, this, and fourth one, this. And see now fourth question, interesting. Angle of deviation is right angle. Angle of deviation is what? It is the right angle. Right angle means what, children? 90 degree. I think you move maths very well, right? Right angle means angle between them is 90 degree. Now, see, yes, children, please on your videos who are not on the videos. Roll number 44, roll number 34 on your videos. Yes, Akshita on your video. Fine. Say, children. So you need to find angle of incidence, angle of reflection, and glancing angle. 3 you need to find, whether you need to check whether they're acute, complementary, or supplementary. You need to check. Your only given data is D. So write the D formula. Angle of deviation is equals to 180 minus of 2i. You know the formula, right, children? In place of deviation, you have to put 90 degree. 90 is equals to 180 minus of 2i. Just replace the word because you need to find the I. So 2i is equals to 180 minus of 90 degree. So 180 minus 90, how much, children? It is 90 degrees. So 2i is equals to 90. So that I is equals to 90 by 2. So gives you what? 45 degree. So finally what you got? Angle of incidence is 45 degree. So from the second law of reflection, you know that if I is equals to 45 degree, right children, if I is equals to R, so that R is also 45 degree. Right, ma? Next, if you know I and R and you know the figure, right children, this is like a figure where I is 45 degree. So what is the remaining angle? That is a glancing angle. That must be what? 45 degree. So alpha is equals to 90 minus of I or 90 minus of 45 degree. That is also gives you what? Again 45 degree. So you can see all this angles now, whatever you got. Angle I 45 degree, right? Angle R 45 degree. Angle alpha, glancing angle also 45 degree. So all this what? These are all acute angles, right children? Obtuse means more than 90 degree. Acute angles means less than 90 degree. So here I, R and alpha are the acute angles. So option A is correct. Not only that, see I plus alpha, 45 degree plus 45 degree. See I plus alpha, how much children? 45 plus 45. What is the total sum giving? 90 degree, right? So 90 degree, the sum of two angles given 90 degree, they are called what? They are called as a complementary angle. Why this complementary? Because if you do I plus R, get you 90 degree, right children? Because this is also 45, this is also 45. So that they are complementary, that is true. Next one, R and I are complementary, definitely. R is how much? 45 degree. I is also 45 degree. Do the sum of this, again you will get 90 degree. So they are also complementary. So option A, B and C, all these three are the correct here. And this is given supplementary, that is not true. Because 45 degree plus this is 45, 45, it won't be 90 plus 45 like 70 something, but it won't be equal to 180 degree. So it is not supplementary. Supplementary means the sum of the angles gives you 180 degree, that time we call supplementary, but it is not given, right? So it is not. But the A, B, C are the correct. Write down children for this question options A, B and C. Yes, any doubt in this question children? Please ask if you have any doubt, or else please write down. Okay, please write down. Haida Kulsam, not on the video. Purvi, not on the video. Turn on your videos. Tiana, roll number 6, 13, 32, roll number 10, 40, 26. Kindly on your videos, ma. First. Yes, Dainara, Iram, where is your notes, ma? Can you able to show? Alia, 103, where is your notes? 44, Yashasyam, notes. Notes means not textbook, madam. 103, you have to write in a notebook. That is what I'm stressing you. Please maintain a notes and write in that. Same time, please write notes also. Yes, Dhruti, unmute now.
Ma'am, can you explain once again first one, ma'am?
First one,
Then option A is correct, right, ma'am?
Which first
Option
one?
A.
Passage A, first one you are telling?
Yeah, ma'am.
This one. No,
Yeah,
ma. The rays which makes an angle. So, okay, don't worry. This question you put blank. That time I am explaining. No, next, I think third concept based on the incident, second concept only. So that time you will get more clarity regarding that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, children. I think your science papers are corrected. Anybody got out of it? No. Okay, good. Mahi. Others? Okay, good. Samruddhi. Only 2 got out of it? No. You raise your hand, I thought out of it. Yes, Mahi.
I got out of order.
Very good, ma'am. Yes, Samruddhi. Unmute.
Ma'am, we didn't get our results only, no, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Don't worry. You will get. Okay, just the correcting started correcting. Maybe those papers are corrected, they will get.
Ma'am, we got the edited papers in classroom.
Yeah, in classroom you will get. Check your classrooms, okay? They are correcting still. So many are there to correct. But maybe today evening you will get, I think. Please check it.
Ma'am, I also didn't got the result.
You
Ma'am,
didn't get the
I-
result. Okay, fine. Don't worry. Your roll number 15, no, it will take time to correct them.
I lost 1 marks, ma'am.
You lost 1 mark, eh? Why, Dhruti?
No, ma'am, in question answers.
Okay, fine. Yes, roll number 8A, 10, roll number 10. Unmute, ma. Rida,
Ma'am, my result, ma'am.
result, IAS, IPS results. What I'm telling, pre-midterm, completed, no, a pre-midterm. That results I'm telling. Yes,
Yes, ma'am, I got 38, ma'am.
oh, you checked, good.
Yes, ma'am.
2 marks gone, Why? I expecting from this section more out of outs, but you're telling 1 mark less, 2 marks less. Try, have to get good marks, ma. Yes, Soha?
Ma'am, I've got 34, ma'am.
34. Okay, good, ma. Good. More than 35, good. Yes. Fine, children.
Ma'am, I got 39, ma'am.
Tara, you
Again,
checked, Okay. Good. Yes, children, this is clear. I hope everyone. Purvi, sorry. Unmute Purvi.
Ma'am, how to check, ma'am, how much we got?
How to check? Go to your Google Classroom. Okay. Google Classroom app is there, no? There you will go, and I think their teachers are written your paper. So you will get, I think, through mail also.
Okay, ma'am.
Check your mail, what is given, you will get. Yes, ma, Safiya?
Ma'am, I got 37 marks.
37. Good. Okay. Fine, children. Only these questions are there in this concept, right? Okay. Yeah, next concept theory we need to start.
Ma'am, what is the answer for fifth one?
Fifth one, okay, fifth one I didn't tell, I'll tell. Yeah, CG. Yeah, fourth one is clear, right, children? A, B, and C. And fifth one, see, angle of glancing is 90 degree. Angle of glancing is 90 degree means what, children? Alpha is equals to 90 degree. When alpha is 90 degree, so angle of deviation will be what happen? Angle of incidence will be what happen? See, what is the angle of glancing? Glancing angle means from incident ray to the reflected. So incident ray to the mirror. From mirror to incident ray, when you will get 90 degree, when the ray will go along the normal, that time only you will get alpha is equals to 90 degree. If there is some incident angle, that time the alpha goes on decreasing, if I goes on increasing, right, children? You know the formula, right? I is equals to 90 minus I. So when you will get I is 90 degree, when alpha is 90 degree, when I completely zero, right, children? When I completely zero, that angle of incidence is 0. So that time only you will get angle of alpha is equals to 90 degree. Okay, that means what? Ray is going along the normal, incident angle is 0 degree. So angle of incidence will be 0. Hope it is clear, children. And second option, like deviation will be 0. No, that is not correct. Angle of incidence and reflection equal to deviation. That is not correct. Angle of deviation is right angle. No. So only option correct here possibility is angle of incidence is 0 when alpha is 90 degree. Okay, alpha means what? Glancing angle. If glancing angle 90 degree, incident is must be 0. Okay. So or else you wanted to prove very well, you have to take a formula. I is equals to 90 minus of alpha. 1 minute, check it. Yes. So 90 minus alpha, you have to put alpha as 90 degrees. So 99 and minus 90, how much you got? 0 degree. Okay. So like that also cross check you can do. So hope it is clear, children, all the 5 questions. And one more thing, children.